Confirmed. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra will bring the absolute best of Samsung, and it is confirmed. From display to the camera, Samsung is indeed going all out with their next big thing. I'm gonna start things off with camera. Last week we reported that Samsung is planning to bring a brand new 50 megapixel 3x optical zoom, and now it is fully confirmed, the sensor specs as well as the true magic that this will bring to the S24 Ultra's zoom performance. Yes, Universe has come out with some confirmed detail regarding the size and the specs of this brand new 50 megapixel 3x optical zoom sensor, while revealing the icing on the cake, which is the 5x zoom image quality that Samsung will bring thanks to higher resolution. Samsung has been working really hard on this high megapixel zoom using the latest camera ISPs as well as the AI. Using all of that, for the first time ever, we're gonna get a near optical zoom quality level 5x performance. As I said before, this is perfect for those portrait images because you're getting a long range zoom as well as that 3x optical quality for portrait image performance. Another thing that has been confirmed today is the display upgrade. Yes, the S24 Ultra will have a better display than the S23 Ultra. We don't know yet what exactly those changes are, but it could possibly be Samsung's brightest ever display, or it could be that unreleased ultra dynamic range display that Samsung showed off a while ago at their SID display week. There is a lot of ways that Samsung can improve the display on the S24 Ultra, but if I have to take a guess, it's very likely we're going to see a huge boost in brightness performance on the S24 Ultra's display. And let's not forget, we're getting LTPO on the standard S24 and the S24 Plus, so we're gonna see a display upgrade across the whole lineup. Now, there are two more big changes with the S24 Ultra that are also coming. We're gonna talk about them right after this. Empower your next adventure with ShockFlow. It's the ultimate portable mobile charger that helps you charge while on a trip, or could also be used as a wall-mounted charger at home. It adds 36 miles of range in just an hour when using the 40 amps model, which is the one that I've been using, and I gotta say, it is amazing. One of my favorite standout feature about this product is its IP67 waterproof, dustproof, run-over-proof, and lightning-proof rating. Because of this, compared to other chargers, this one is very reliable. Now, it is very adaptive and easy to use thanks to level 1 and level 2 charging compatibility. Plus, the big LCD screen gives you all the important information you need at a glance. Now, by far my favorite feature about this charger is the adjustable current, which allows you to save electricity, especially when using this along with other high power appliances. You can do this wherever you want, whether at home or when traveling and using various external EV charging stations. It offers incredible ease of use. So what are you waiting for? Definitely check out the link in the description. Go to shockflow.com and get your ultimate, and I mean the ultimate EV charging solution. Alright, let's talk about design. As we know, Samsung has achieved this near perfect smartphone design look over the years, and now it's gonna get even better with the S24 Ultra. As reported before and now being further reported in the rumors, is that Galaxy S24 Ultra will be the first Samsung flagship phone to utilize a titanium build quality. This will be a very well change in comparison to the S23 Ultra from last year. And finally, a guaranteed best performing Android chip of 2024, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy. The initial benchmark numbers have shown incredible jump in performance compared to the S23 lineup, combined with the best efficiency thanks to the 3nm TSMC process, which is the same that the Apple A17 chip will use. Now with this, Samsung is making a comeback after a year of absence, bringing the Exynos 2400. As much as we don't want to accept this, it is a reality that the Exynos chip is one of the things that are confirmed to come back with the S24 lineup. Anything is possible at this point because Samsung has worked really hard on this chip, and it could actually be just as good as the 8 Gen 3. Anything can happen until we start to see some benchmark numbers. There's going to be a lot of speculation, so wait for some proof. Fingers crossed we could see Samsung bringing a banging comeback. So that's all for this video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What is your favorite change that you're looking forward to on the S24 Ultra? With that being said, subscribe if you're new here. I'll see you guys later. later. Peace out.